Stop there,
Madam.
Hey, no. Come, let's go.
Okay. We have given them the money, no? Then
I
why
don't know
are
anything. Just come, run.
But why are they chasing us? Tell me,
We have
please.
sold 5 lakh rupees, right?
No, but
that's
we
the
have
reason.
given
Come
them
on.
back, no.
Yeah, tell me.
The guys who used to work with you are still here
Are
only.
they there?
Yeah.
Bloody thieves.
The cops are chasing them all over the street. Come fast.
Yeah, I'm coming. Keep.
Hey, brother. We have given them back all the money we have taken. But why they are chasing us now?
That is not your money. The money which I stole.
Hey,
Come, let's go.
come.
Hey, no, don't catch me. Hey, no, let's come on, let's escape. Come on.
Hey, stop there, man.
Hey, where did she come from? Oh, come on, let's go.
Oh, buddy, I want to pee now. Come, let's go.
Hey, run a little slow, I can't run.
Come, let's take this right. Come on. After that, if you take the left, bypass will come. Then even if military comes, they cannot catch us. Come on, let's go. No. Please don't try to catch us. The police is coming back of us. Don't try to catch. Come on, I'm telling you, I'm warning you. Don't catch.
Hey, come on. Stop.
Oh my God, police is coming. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Fast. Fast.
Hey.
Come on.
Stop there, I say.
Where have you kept that 5 lakhs?
I don't know. Just keep quiet. Come. Hey, stop running.
Hey guys, stop please.
Madam, they're running
Stop
away.
there. I told you to stop.
Hey guys, please stop running.
Oh my God. We have come to the same place. I can't run anymore. I'm too tired, buddy.
Madam, please stop, madam. I can't run any further, madam. I am really tired.
Even I can't run. I'll tell you. Come with me.
Brother, if these rowdies caught us, they will definitely beat us. And this female cop also beats us. I think she is much better than them. Let's go to her. By the way, where is that other 5 lakhs? Madam.
Madam, I will come myself. Madam, you don't come, madam. I'll come, madam.
Hi, guys.
Please stay there, madam.
Good
I'll come,
there.
madam.
Go.
Madam, you can arrest me immediately,
What the
madam.
hell?
Come on, madam. Please
I've
arrest
been
me, madam.
calling you and you were running along with him.
Madam, I thought you were calling the cotton candy man. Madam,
Cotton
please don't hit me with the big stick, madam. Please, madam.
Come with me to station. I will tell
Okay,
you.
madam.
Hey,
Madam, no, please, madam.
I was
no.
calling you. Why did you
We
run?
will definitely cooperate with you, madam. We will go to the station and talk.
You'll cooperate with me, is it?
Yeah.
Come. Come with me.
I'll take care of you later.
What happened? Did you catch him or not? Why?
Well, actually,
Sir, we caught them.
Where?
We didn't catch them. When we were going to catch them, the police came and created trouble.
What were you plucking till then?
No, sir. Actually,
no.
don't stop me, please. I'll explain it to him. If I tell him from the beginning, only then will he understand what happened there. Sir, we went to catch the older guy. There was a younger chap along with him. So we went looking for these 2 idiots.
What the hell happened then?
We actually caught them, but then the police came and spoiled everything. You know, I ran for 48 kilometers non-stop. That's the reason. You should have taken care of this right from the beginning.
You cannot do even a work properly.
Sir, where are you going?
I'm going to kick you. I can go wherever I want to. Do I have to tell you wherever I'm going? Can't do a simple job. Hey, where did they stop last?
Boss, the inspector.
Yeah, ask the inspector to come.
All right, boss.
Inspector's big house, Inspector's mistress house. You guys robbed both the house at the same time, is it?
How can we know that inspector is having a mistress, madam? That's not fair.
People keep the sign beware of dog. They should also keep the sign mistress house. Then we will definitely go there and steal, man.
Constable, give him one.
No,
Sir,
please,
don't hit me.
please,
Madam,
don't
you've already
hit us.
paid
Please,
5 lakhs. You've already
please,
paid like 5 lakhs,
please.
madam. Please,
You
madam.
gave me 1.5 and the other 5 lakh, you thought you could just vanish it, is it? What do I look like to you guys?
My frank opinion, madam, you look like a Hollywood actress, madam. Beautiful.
Madam, they're making fun of you, madam.
Give it to them.
No,
Madam,
please,
I'm not
please,
teasing you, madam.
please, sir, please, sir,
Don't
please,
tease me,
sir,
madam. Madam, tell him not to tease me, madam.
don't, sir,
Please,
please,
madam,
sir, it's
madam.
paining, sir. No, sir, stop it, sir. Madam, You should give 5 minutes break in between beating, madam. We should think and answer your question, right? I don't even understand what is happening here.
Just give it to them right from the beginning. Not with that.
Madam, please.
With this.
Thank you, madam.
I'll give it, madam. I'll give it immediately.
This week it is basic instinct. You didn't tell me only. How are you, boys? Hello, sir. How are you? Hello, sir. You look very tired. What? Are you making fun of me? No, don't worry. I'm just joking. You just relax. Is it clean outside the theater or what?
Yes, boss.
Then why is he behaving as if he has seen some shit there? Sir, show some respect to me. Guys, please check if you have some respect in your pocket or not. Just give them, he's asking. Now why are you getting angry at me? Then why are you chasing my people? Am I chasing your people? Listen, you're talking like a blind man who is poking his key into every hole possible. Are you kidding me? Bloody thief.
But sir, whatever he's saying is right.
Just shut up. What do you mean he's right?
Sir, the one who was chasing us was someone else, not him.
Hey, you don't know anything, just keep quiet.
Hey, don't tell me to keep quiet. You keep quiet. You don't know anything. I know who it was.
Hey, stupid. Can you just shut your mouth and sit?
Why are you shouting? What did I do? Just because you're the owner, I cannot speak the truth? I want to resign my job. Here's your gun.
Hey, have you lost it? You don't know anything, just keep quiet.
Hey, the cops who were chasing us were different, not this guy. He's supposed to question the one who chased us. He's questioning someone who doesn't know anything about this. I have to know the truth right now.
You just tell him what is there in the box. Let him know. These sort of boxes, if you see anywhere here, you just don't bother about it. Sir, why do I need 2 different bags? This 5 for your main house and this is for your mistress. But actually, what have you kept in these boxes? You are talking too much. I'm not going to tell you all that because otherwise you will open your big mouth and say something.
You should have explained to me about this right in the beginning. Sir, I don't think this inspector is going to speak the truth. Why don't you bring out your own style and ask him?
Hey, point the gun away, man. Sir, I'm telling you the truth. I'm not able to understand what you're talking. Why are the medical shop guys being targeted always by you people? Medical shop guys? Now who actually are they? Let me remind you, the police uniform is the one that is saving your life every day. Otherwise, I would have shot all these bullets into your chest.
The SI and the constable have been chasing them for the past 3 days.
Now you got to know, right? Make the call. Oh, then she has caught your people, huh? Yeah, they have stolen stuff from me. You know what is the worth of it? Almost 1 crore.
Tell me, sir.
Just hand over the phone to her.
Whom should I give, sir?
Hey, you give it to the SI.
Madam, call for you.
Who is it?
Inspector, madam.
Hello, sir.
That means you have 5 lakh rupees. Why are you doing this now? You did take it from the mistress' house, right?
No. Inspector's big house, buddy.
Hey, big house, I took it from.
No, it's me.
Then where did I take?
That was Inspector's mistress' house.
Oh my god. You are such a big thief. You told them I took it from both the houses and you thought I will get arrested, right?
No. Actually, I've mistaken me, buddy. I was
Don't
supposed
talk to me. You thought I should get arrested and go to jail. But you will enjoy your life with the 5 lakhs you took. Don't talk to me from now.
Buddy, don't mistake me, buddy. My situation, buddy. Please, buddy.
When they were beating me up, you didn't say even one thing, right? You should have told you have taken 5 lakhs.
Yeah. But that police was beating me also. And you kept quiet at that time.
I don't want to talk to you right now.
Listen to me, buddy. Please listen
I
to me.
I don't want to hear anything.
Constable,
Yes, madam.
just leave these
Why,
guys. Whatever they said was right. Just leave them. You guys can go.
Madam, are you sure we can go now, madam?
What? You're scared, is it?
No, we're just asking you, madam.
If I see you like this the next time, I won't talk. My constable will.
Okay, madam.
Hey, just hand over the phone to her.
Whom should I give, sir?
You give it to the SI.
Madam, call for you.
Who is it?
Inspector, madam.
Hello, sir.
What bloody work are you doing after switching off your phone?
Oh, I saw the missed call. Sorry, sir. Sorry. The battery was low, so I put it on silent mode.
All right, fine, just leave them.
What about the 5 lakh?
They announced that they had fake notes.
Sir, can I at least investigate them?
You need not do any bloody shit now. Just leave them there and you come over to the station.
Alright, sir. Okay.
You have told her. I will just tell you this once. I'll not be repeating it again, okay? What are you looking at? Porn star? There's a new movie that has come up. Are you wanting to see it? Are you sure?
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you,
madam.
First, we should escape from here. We can't take more beating.
The auto's coming.
Hey, stop,
auto,
stop,
auto,
stop.
come here.
Yeah, you can go now. Brother, body is paining so much. Do you have money?
Eh?
We will drink something.
We are coming from the police station, but you think I'll have money with me? Let's try something on the way. Oh my God, who is he?
Hello, who are you? Hey, this is not share auto. Why are
Hey.
you sitting? Hey,
Hey,
come
why
on.
are you sitting on my lap, man?
Hey, who are you
see,
guys?
even one
Hey,
mustache
please
has come
don't sit
here.
Hey, who are you guys?
Hey, we are not going to school. Just get out, man. Hey,
Stop the vehicle.
are they coming for some competition or what?
Start the vehicle.
Brother,
Huh?
now only I realized
What?
this guy has not paid the dues.
Oh.
That is why these people are catching him and taking him.
Oh, okay,
We
okay.
have nothing to worry. Hey, brother, please drop us on the